it's me, Deja B, and I'm back at it again with another video. Today I'm going to be comparing two products from the same company. I'm going to be comparing the Miche Beauty Sculpt Curl Defining Gel, and then I'm going to be pairing that with, well, not pairing it, I'm going to be doing the other side with the Miche Beauty Bounce Curl Defining Cream. I'm actually so excited to try this out. I haven't used the Bounce for a while, so I'm really excited to see which one does better, even though I know both of them are amazing. So this is the Sculpt. It's, of course, it's the gel, so it's got more of that jelly, like texture. And then this is the Bounce, and it is a cream, so it has more of a creamy texture. And I'm going to be pairing both of those, of course, with the Miche Lavish Leave-In Conditioner. So I'm going to be doing the Miche Bounce on, this is my left, I guess will be your right, and then the Sculpt is going to be on my right, your left. I'm just going to do each side, you know, one side first and then the other. So I'm going to start with the Bounce, just so I don't get anything mixed up. Okay, so my hair got mostly dry because it was in the towel. So of course I'm just reviving my hair with some water. And then I'm going to put my leave-in in. Leave-in. So I'm going to be checking for moisture, elongation, and definition, of course. I do know that these products are moisturizing already, but I'm just here to see which one is the most moisturizing, which one's going to have the most hold, which one's going to have the most definition and elongation, especially as the week goes on. Hopefully I'll remember to come back. If you guys hear any noises in the background, it is my dog. I'm just making sure I got all the tangles out because I did just have to go through a huge detangling session after taking out my braids. If you've gotten braids, you kind of know how it is. If you don't like wash your hair and you have to build up from like the gel or pomade that was used, it is a nightmare. Okay, so like I said, this side is going to be the Bounce Curl Defining Cream. So I'm going to go in with that on this side. Going in with the leave-in. Going in with the gel. Okay guys, so I'm actually going to let my hair air dry. If it's not dry before I go to bed, I'll probably just blow dry the rest of it. But other than that, yeah, I'm gonna let it air dry and then I'll come back and show you guys the final result. Okay guys, I am back with basically the finished product. I have not picked or anything. I just blow dried my hair to stretch it out. So I have a few thoughts on, you know, things I already see. So first and foremost, with the Sculpt gel I use on this side and the Bounce Curl Defining Cream I use on this side, both are amazing products. Both give amazing definition, but I'm gonna have to say the Sculpt definitely makes the hair more defined, which you would really expect with a gel. And it also has better hold when it comes to stretching. I don't know if you can tell, but I stretched. And yes, the Bounce Curl Defining Cream definitely has amazing hold, but I think the Sculpt does a little bit better with keeping your natural hair texture alive when you stretch it. And then another thing, the Sculpt, you can get a longer or better stretch with that one, so I would note that as well. I will say when my hair dried, the Bounce looked more full, and as you can see, it still kind of looks a little bit more full. So that's one thing I would note. The Bounce gives you that fullness and it gives you the definition. The Sculpt is a lot more tamed. Both kind of feel, after stretching my hair, both kind of feel, they feel very close to one another. But the Bounce, I guess, it is a little more soft, which is expected because it's a cream and not a gel like the Sculpt. Yeah, both are, you know, my hair feels very moisturized. It does not feel dry at all. And I know this wash and go is going to be really good. Really good. We're just going to see how this looks, you know, as the days go by. I'll try to update you guys on a daily basis just so you guys see how this wash and go presents. What am I saying? Progresses on a day-to-day basis. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, so far what I'm seeing is this side obviously has a little bit more body and elongation to it. All I did last night was band my hair in a total of 10 sections. I didn't use any heat to stretch it. Both of them look very similar. But I still think the curls are a little bit tighter and more defined on this side. If you can see here, this is a little bit more frizzy than over here. But yeah, so this is my day 1 hair going into day 2, I guess. All right, see ya. Day 3, fresh out the bands. Hey y'all, so it is actually day 5. I forgot to record day 4, but you know, we're good because I'm back now. So this is what my hair is looking like. All I've been doing is banding, except for last night I only did 8 sections instead of 10 because my hair has already gotten pretty stretched from the banding. looks very good. Still looks very good. My hair is still soft, still in good condition. Pretty sure I can rock this for a few more days if I wanted to, but we're gonna see. It's gonna last me at least through the weekend. Today's Saturday, so. Hey guys, so basically it's been a week and a day, so 8 days since I styled my hair. Basically now I have my hair in a puff. My hair still feels pretty moisturized. It hasn't quite dried out yet. It still actually feels pretty soft, and the product is still very much alive on my hair. I would say this wash and go definitely held up like it was supposed to. I'm about to find a way to kind of stretch this into a cuter style so I can make another video out of it, because that's what I'm here for. But yeah, so all in all, what I've noticed about these two different products, I did the Sculpt gel on this side and the Bounce Curl Defining Cream on this side. The Bounce definitely had my hair looking more full, I would say, and I think that's because it is a lighter product. It definitely had the definition, but my hair was looking a little bit more full on this side, as you probably saw in my previous clips. And then the gel had a little bit more definition. Both, after being dried and stretched, my hair felt soft. It was equally just as soft, to be honest, and they both held up pretty much the same. So that is my comparison on these products. Just the Bounce Curl Defining Jelly just made it a little bit more voluminous, and the Sculpt just added a little bit more definition to my hair. So yeah, that's all I got for you today. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think of these two products. Let me know if you have tried them, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.